Good morning to all. Today's topic is elements of design. The elements of designs are building blocks of what the visual artist or graphic designers use to make a successful composition. What are the elements of design? The elements of design are the fundamental aspects of any visual design which include shape, color, space, form, line, value, and texture. Graphic designers use the elements of design to create an image to can convey a certain mood, draw the eye in the certain direction, or evoke a number of feelings. While the elements of design form the basics of image, designers also learn of the principles of design, which are a set of practices of working with the elements of design that make a composition look pleasing to your eye. The elements of design, there are variety of graphic designs elements to consider when creating any visual work of art, whatever it may be. For interior design, a logo, an advertisement, or web design, the basic elements of the designs are color. Color helps establish a mood for your composition. When light waves strike an object and reflect back to the optical nerves in the human eyes, the sensation they perceive is called color. Artists and designers use colors to depict and describe the subject. Color is used by designers to portray mood, light, depth, and point of view. Designers use the color wheels and tent of color theory, a set of guidance for mixing, combining, and manipulating colors to create color schemes. The next one is line. Line refers to a way that two points in space are connected. Whatever they are, horizontal lines, diagonal lines, or vertical lines, lines help direct the eye towards the certain point in your composition. You can also create texture by incorporating different types of lines such as curves or pattern lines instead of just straight lines. The next one is value. In design, value refers to the lightness or darkness of color. The light values of color are often visualized in the gradient, which display a series of variations on one hue arranged from the lightest to the darkest. Artists can use various values of colors to create a illusion of mass and volume in their works. The next one is space. Making proper of space can help others view your design as you intended. White space or negative space is the space between or around the focal point of an image. Positive space is the space that your subject matter takes up in your composition. The spacing of your design is important because a layout that's too crowded can overwhelm the viewer's eye. The next one is shape. It is the most basic form. The shape is two-dimensional area that is surrounded by an outline. Graphic artists can use other elements including line, color, value, and shadows to give a shape the appearance of three-dimension shapes. There are three types of shapes: organic shapes, which occurs naturally in the world; geometrical shapes, which are angular and mathematical consistent; and abstract shapes that represent things in nature but aren't perfectly representative. The next one is form. Form pertain to the way that a shape or physical configuration occupies space. Instead of creating form through three-dimensional physical shape, designers create an appearance of form on a flat surface by using light, shadows, the appearance of the object, contour, negative space, and a surrounding object around the subject matters. The last one is texture. Texture is one of the elements of design that is used to represent how an object appears or feels. Tactile texture is a physical sense of touch, whatever it is a rough, smooth, or ribbed. Visual texture, on the other hand, refers to the imagine feel of illustrated texture, which can create a more visual interest and heightened sensory experience. That's all. Thank you.